Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working problem on your Itel A200 Plus device. Just follow the steps shown in this video and solve the issue and use fingerprint again. If this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started.